Cosmetic organizer. The iDesign tiered organizer has divided sections that store daily necessities vertically in one place. Great for hair accessories, cosmetics, and nail polish storage. Also great for organizing small items such as office supplies. Open design. Featuring 4 tiered shelves with an open top and clear sides, the clear cosmetic organizer allows for easy visibility and storage. Durable. Made of strong clear plastic, the nail polish organizer box stands up to years of quality use. Compact size. The nail polish display organizer measures 13 by 6.5 by 3.46, perfect for adding instant organization to your home. iDesign. iDesign strives to bring organization, innovation and style to your home with a wide selection of storage and organization products to enhance your living. The iDesign Clarity Collection tiered nail polish holder is a great way to keep makeup, nail polish, and other cosmetics neat and tidy at the bathroom vanity, countertop, dressing table, or inside a cabinet. The cosmetic makeup organizer features 4 tiered shelves to vertically store necessities such as nail polish, hair accessories, blush, eyeshadow, lipstick, bronzer, highlighter, and brow palettes. It is also great for organizing small items such as notepads and other office supplies. Made of durable plastic, it has a tiered design that allows you to store taller items in the back and smaller accessories in the front for quick visibility and easy access. The nail polish storage organizer measures 13 by 6.5 by 3.46, perfect for adding instant organization to compact spaces in your home. With iDesign, you can live simply every day. Top reviews from the United States. Works great for all kinds of nail polish. I got this to store, display my indie nail polish collection and I'm really happy with it. It's sturdy, looks nice and all of the brands I have fit in the rows in their boxes. My only teeny tiny gripe is I wish Mooncat Fit turned sideways or doubled up. I feel like I'm wasting space when I put it in facing forwards, but that's extremely minor.